I do not like that. What's up, guys? It's Ari, and we're back in another video. And today we are making Rainbow Fruit Kabobs. Guys, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna use blackberries and blueberries, pineapples, and then grapes and kiwi, strawberries and grapes. Now you're gonna need kebab sticks. We are gonna make a rainbow fruit kebab, and you guys can use whatever fruit you want. So you gotta be careful with the pointy parts. So you gotta be safe. Okay guys, are you ready? Let's begin. The first fruit is I'm gonna use a grape. The second fruit that I'm gonna use is a strawberry, blackberry.
Bruh.
And then I am gonna use a raspberry. You know it's looking yummy. Then a pineapple. It's kind of slippery. There we go. Now you guys are gonna use a grape. Now you guys are gonna use kiwi. And then one more grape, guys. Look, guys, this is my first rainbow kebab. And then you can switch it up into whatever fruit you want. These look so good. Guys, this is looking good. I can't wait to eat one. And then you're gonna use kiwi and then another grape. This looks so yummy, guys. Now we have 2 fruit kebabs that are really yummy. Yeah. Rainbow fruit kebabs. Are you guys ready for the photo shoot? Okay guys, are you ready to try the fruit kebabs? So the first one I'm gonna eat is this one. It's very yummy. It is cold. Kind of sour a little. But it's really yummy, guys. I maybe try the kiwi.
Oh no.
Guys, it literally tastes like pears.
No.
Last one, guys. I do not like that. Hey guys, I hope you have fun. Please like and subscribe. Okay. Bye.
Bruh.